Hi, my name is Jillian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm filming a video where I'm building these petite blocks. I got them from DAISO. They're both from the work vehicle series and I have two of them. One is the Bulldozer, which is number 5, and I have the Excavator, which is number 1. It's my first time building anything with Legos or mini Legos or knockoff Legos, whatever. So let's see how it goes. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you would do me the favor of subscribing, I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers. I know it's really hard to get people from your other accounts to follow you on a different site, so I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more block videos. This is supposed to be kind of like a Chatty Build With Me or whatever video, but I can try to shut up in mine if I do it again. We're literally fighting against time. My camera is dying, the light's going away, so let's just get started. I'm gonna start with the excavator first, so we'll put this to the side. So it is individually wrapped inside the plastic. Okay, so we gotta start with the black pieces. Already I am getting confused, but I think I'm understanding the instructions. They're just kind of hard to see. Okay, already I can see I fucked it up. I'm gonna start over. I think the key is to look at the arrows and make sure the exact circle is matching up with the circle underneath. Alright, that is this first piece. This could be an ASMR video, but I don't really know how to shut up. But maybe I should. Do you guys like ASMR? I've been struggling to think of what I should put on my YouTube channel, because I started out wanting to make Animal Crossing videos, but, well, partially I stopped playing the game for a bit, but I started again, but I realized I can't really keep up with the Animal Crossing YouTubers in the community, because they are constantly uploading based on like recent updates and like hot topics, and I can't really keep up a pace where I can upload and my videos will still be relevant to what's going on. For example, I made a whole video about predictions for an update at one point, and then the update came out early, and so my whole video, I think I was like just gonna add text and render it, but I had to scrap the whole video because I literally wasn't fast enough. And there are a lot, I respect the people who can stay on their grind and constantly upload like that, but it's not for me, mainly because I have other stuff going on and I'm not good at making fast videos, nor do I feel like I'm qualified to be like a news source for people. And also I don't find it interesting personally. Like, I wouldn't be interested in making a video every single day like talking about new tweets or like data mine, stuff like that. So like one of my friends was saying that I should just focus on making what I want, like making videos that aren't time sensitive, and I think that's the key for me. So yes, I will still be making content about Animal Crossing and other games, but I will not be being like time sensitive like I'm a news source, because I can't do it, I can't keep up. Alright, I think this means that I have to put this new piece on these pieces. Okay, this looks like it's the base. And one of my viewers also said that I should make longer videos because they like to play it in the background, so that is a good tip. I will be doing that. This video will probably be one of the longer ones. I want to make like annoying like video essays, but those I don't have enough time to make like really long ones. And then it would feel like I'm doing like a research paper, so then I'd feel like I really have to work hard on it and I can't just put something together, and that feels like too much pressure. So for those, I'll probably keep it at like 10 minutes, like the mall tour video I did. But for these casual videos, sure, I'll ramble for 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, that's done. Moving on to the yellow bricks. I think this is the right one. We're just gonna assume this is the right one because it's the longest. My question is, how is it gonna be even if it has these? How is the next yellow one gonna be even if there's these gray things are like kind of sticking up? Okay, I'm just gonna build the top part separately because maybe the top layer holds it down. I'm like, this is not looking right. Oh my gosh, I can't I'm blind. I'm blind and put the wrong tiny gray thing. It should be a 2, not a 1. Fuck. Okay, I think the first, second levels are done. Now I just need to add these little red things. Anyone feel like these little red plastic things would taste good? We're just like, I'm conditioned to think that anything that's the color red tastes good. And I know Americans they just have this desire to eat plastic because our food is basically plastic. Alright, I think that's it, but it's not sticking that well, but hopefully it'll stick better when it's attached to the base. And now I got this weird piece here, which I believe is right here. And now we stick it. Alright, sorry, I'm back. I don't know what happened. I think my camera overheated, and the quality of video should be better now. Still getting used to this. Okay, how do I do this? Yeah, usually when I'm filming things, like at least one thing goes wrong and the footage is almost unusable. So if I aim for perfection, we would pretty much not have any videos. Okay, I think this looks good. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Again, I'm gonna build it separately first before sticking it on. So like I was saying, trying my best to make videos that are watchable and of the quality that people expect to see on YouTube now, but it is very hard. It's very hard because of the equipment I have, which is pretty old, lack of filming locations, lack of preparation, just a lot of things, but I'm trying to get it together. If y'all can get into like digicams from the early 2000s, like point and shoot cameras, y'all can get into my videos because the quality of audio and video is pretty much the same. It's just marginally better. I'm like getting so confused right now. I believe this is correct. I think it goes like this. Actually, the hardest part is like getting these blocks in correctly and all the way. Let me stick on this large piece first. Yikes. Okay, I understand. This is at the wrong spot. I think everything is good now. Got it. Now we just gotta build the top part. Okay, I really don't like, I'm gonna remove this and build it like this. Alright, that step is done. My camera is rapidly dying, so I will be back. Okay, so now I'm back after eating and finished this. We're on step 6 now, which looks like a separate piece. Sometimes I just get so frustrated when I'm doing stuff that I forget that I'm supposed to be having fun or this is like my hobby. It doesn't need to be like this. So I have to take like a deep breath, like and be like, you're just making Legos, you're just filming a YouTube video. Because I'll be getting so mad that stuff isn't going smoothly. Or just like technical difficulties really piss me off. That was happening a couple weeks ago when I was doing my final for this pattern making class I was taking, and I was just at school sewing every day to the point where I was getting angry. I was just getting so frustrated because the sewing machine bobbin kept messing up. And then later I'm like, on the train home, I'm thinking like, you're just sewing a blouse, which you're supposed to be enjoying. It's not that serious. You're just sewing a shirt. Now I'm gonna do step 7. So right now it's January, start of the new year, and I'm just thinking about all the things I want to do this year, what I want to work on more. I definitely want to make more videos, work more on my video editing skills, which is the main reason why I started this channel. Yeah, definitely want to improve my video editing, and also After Effects. And then, like, I started this channel because I liked video editing, right? But I don't really have anything to edit if I don't film anything. So one of the main things I need to work on is getting better at filming. And making stuff look aesthetic or like artistic in the filming rather than just getting it on screen. I say that, but I'm struggling with both right now. Yeah, I mean, these aren't like cinematic masterpieces, but hoping that I can make videos like that one day. It's just really hard, like, I have too many hobbies, I have too many things going on, I have too many interests, so I'm really trying to, I'm not like making New Year's resolutions, I'm more just trying to narrow down, like, what are the things I should actually be focusing on this year. Because otherwise I won't be able to do anything. Definitely I'm gonna continue working on sewing and pattern making. Video editing, like I said. I'm also trying to learn cross-stitching, and I also want to read more books. Or actually, not more books like quantity, but actually read the books on my list. I think last year I read around like 21 books. Most of them were because I'm in this book club, so that kind of, the social pressure kind of forces me to finish reading every week, and I've read a lot with them. But we kind of have different tastes in books. No hate to them, but there's just a lot of books that are on my list to read, but I put them off because I haven't had time to read them, and they wouldn't fit for my book club either. And the last thing I've been working on is, recently is journaling. I've always kept, journals and notebooks just to, like, do sketches for my projects and stuff, but, I was recently looking at my journal from middle school, like a diary, basically, and it was actually so funny and entertaining. I forgot so many of these things happened, or that I was into these things, or had those thoughts. And it's just nice to be able to read back and know what I was thinking at that time. And I wish I'd kept it up, since I think I stopped around, I think I journaled from when I was like 12 to 13, like almost every day. And then after that, more sparsely until I was like 15 or 16. Very sparsely in high school, barely any. And I think I want to start again, because it would be so, I missed out. I wish I journaled like the past couple years, because so much has happened. And I want to know what I was thinking at the time. Okay, look, I now have these 3 pieces, and I'm gonna put them together. Nice. So it looks like these are the main pieces. Why is there so many extras? Is this just an extra of one of every piece? That's so bizarre. Okay, well, I'm just gonna put this together now. Okay, that's in. And this goes in there. Nice. That's so cute. Okay. Okay, so it looks like the first step is pretty similar. I'm assuming this one will go a lot faster because I actually understand the instructions now. You know what I really want to build after this though? I want to make one of those Lego flower sets. Let me know if you've made one of them and what you think. I really like the Bird of Paradise one. I also like a lot of like the figurines that people make on, well, I think this like Lego website, but like fan made ones, but it's hard to get all the pieces because you have to order them individually, and some of them are expensive or rare, especially if you want them in like a specific color. Okay, these two are done. Alright, on to step 2. I can also build more of these DAISO ones. There's definitely more work vehicles in the set. I just don't know what to do with them after I make all of them. Maybe I can take them apart again and then send them to one of you guys if you want it. And then you can build them. Alright, it looks like this goes onto this. Somehow. And also on hobbies, I'm realizing that I'm not someone who can do something like every day. Like read every day, for example. Like I could read every day, but I could probably only do that for a month. I can't read every day and like do it forever. And that's okay. I think it's better for me to work in phases. So right now I think I'm into reading and trying to get into cross-stitching. And I'm also watching TV shows, but after this I'll probably stop watching shows. And then I'll take a break. Oh yeah, the other thing is like I have video games that are on like a backlog and I need to play them. I haven't played games in a while though. So like I think that after I finish reading the books that I need to for book club and this book I'm reading right now, which is called Whistle Stop, I'll get back into gaming, do that for a bit, like a month or so, make videos on it, and then I'll stop gaming for a while and take a break. And I definitely have an idea for the next game video I'm gonna make. If it's not about the Animal Crossing DLC, then I have to play this Vampire Knight dating sim game for the DS Lite. Because some fans recently made a fan translation for it, a fan patch. So I will definitely be playing that. Whether I make a video or not, I will be playing that. And of course, like I haven't really talked about this on this channel, but I could do videos about fashion, style, sewing and stuff, but because that's part of my life and part of my job, but I probably won't, at least for now, because I feel like it's just too close to my work. Yeah, this channel's supposed to be like an outlet for me to talk about the interests that I don't get to talk about in my real life, because I either don't know people in person or online that are into the same things as me, or there's not really a place for me to talk about it other than here. Alright. That seems right, but it's not. And I just realized my top row, everything is off by 1 block, so I gotta redo that. Okay, that looks like it's done. Now, time for the little like shovel thing. Back to books. I'm just thinking, if you guys have a favorite book you read last year, let me know and maybe I'll read it if I haven't read it. I think for me, my favorite book that I've read was... Oh shit, I just dropped something. My favorite book was probably... Not favorite, just like I thought about it the most. Either Never Let Me Go or My Year of Rest and Relaxation, though you probably read both of them if you read books, because they're both popular and trendy books. And I don't say they're my favorite, like because I liked them so much, or like I felt like that was me. Like obviously it resonated with me, but I just thought about it a lot after reading it. Okay, that is done. Now we just have to make the two connectors. Okay, that's one. It looks like they're supposed to be mirror images of each other, but since they're symmetrical, I can just flip it around. Okay, so that's one and that's one. And now I just have to put it together. So the easiest way to do it seems like just to stick it perpendicular and then turn it. Oh. Like, yikes, it just fell apart. This is not very secure. Another one of these 4 yellow things would have been more secure than that. Okay. Nice. Swings. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. That took me so long, and I'm sorry if it was boring. I hope it was entertaining. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video.